Feeling constantly bloated, low on energy, or struggling with stubborn cravings that derail your health goals? What if I told you there's a simple, natural superfood you can add to your meals today that not only helps with digestion, but also boosts energy, detoxifies your body, and supports weight loss, all without expensive supplements or drastic diets? Today we are talking about the incredible health benefits of alfalfa sprouts, why they're a game changer for your body, and how you can start using them right away to transform your health. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Alfalfa sprouts have a slightly nutty and earthy flavor. They add a satisfying crunch to any meal. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking to add more nutrients to your diet, alfalfa sprouts are a great choice. Let's explore the amazing health benefits these tiny sprouts offer. Alfalfa sprouts are nutritional superstars. They are low in calories but packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These include vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system. Folate, crucial for cell growth and development, especially during pregnancy. Iron, essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Calcium, needed for strong bones and teeth. In addition to these nutrients, alfalfa sprouts are a good source of fiber. Fiber is important for digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied after eating. The impressive nutrient profile of alfalfa sprouts translates into a wide range of health benefits. Let's delve into some of the most significant ones, starting with improved digestion. The fiber in alfalfa sprouts promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy digestive system. This fiber acts as a natural cleanser for your intestines, helping to remove waste and toxins more efficiently. Additionally, the enzymes present in alfalfa sprouts aid in breaking down food, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Boosted immunity. Vitamin C and other antioxidants in alfalfa sprouts help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. These antioxidants combat free radicals, which can cause cellular damage and weaken the immune system. By incorporating alfalfa sprouts into your diet, you can enhance your body's natural defense mechanisms, making you less susceptible to colds, flu, and other illnesses. Heart health support. Alfalfa sprouts contain compounds that may help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. These compounds, such as saponins, work by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. This can lead to lower overall cholesterol levels and a healthier heart. Additionally, the high levels of vitamin K in alfalfa sprouts contribute to better blood clotting and vascular health. Reduced inflammation. Alfalfa sprouts possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, and even certain cancers. The phytonutrients in alfalfa sprouts can help mitigate these risks by reducing inflammatory markers in the body. This makes alfalfa sprouts a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. By incorporating alfalfa sprouts into your diet, you can enjoy these incredible health benefits and improve your overall well-being. Whether you add them to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, alfalfa sprouts are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. Their mild flavor and crunchy texture make them an easy and enjoyable way to boost your health. So why not start today? Your body will thank you for it. One of the best things about alfalfa sprouts is their versatility. These tiny nutrient-packed greens can be used in a variety of dishes, making them a fantastic addition to any meal plan. Whether you're looking to boost the nutritional content of your meals or simply add a bit of crunch and flavor, alfalfa sprouts are an excellent choice. Here are some simple and tasty ways to add them to your meals. From breakfast to dinner and even snacks in between, alfalfa sprouts can be seamlessly integrated into your daily diet. Let's explore some delicious ideas that will not only enhance the taste of your dishes, but also provide you with a host of health benefits. Salads. Sprinkle a handful of alfalfa sprouts on top of your favorite salad for a boost of nutrition and crunch. They pair wonderfully with a variety of greens, vegetables, and dressings, adding a fresh and slightly nutty flavor that complements any salad. Whether it's a simple garden salad or a more elaborate creation, alfalfa sprouts can elevate the dish to a new level of deliciousness. Sandwiches. Add a layer of alfalfa sprouts to your sandwiches for a refreshing and flavorful twist. They add a delightful crunch and a burst of freshness that can transform an ordinary sandwich into something special. Try them with a variety of fillings, from classic turkey and cheese to vegetarian options like hummus and avocado. The possibilities are endless, and the result is always a more satisfying and nutritious meal. Wraps. Use alfalfa sprouts as a filling in wraps along with your favorite vegetables and protein. They add texture and flavor, making your wraps more interesting and enjoyable. Whether you're packing a lunch for work or preparing a quick dinner, alfalfa sprouts can be a versatile and tasty addition. Combine them with ingredients like grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or even tofu for a delicious and balanced meal. Smoothies. Blend a handful of alfalfa sprouts into your smoothies for an extra dose of vitamins and minerals. They blend well with fruits and vegetables, adding a subtle flavor that doesn't overpower the other ingredients. This is a great way to sneak in some extra greens, especially if you're not a fan of eating them raw. Plus, the added nutrients can give your smoothie a health boost, making it a perfect start to your day or a refreshing post-workout treat. Get creative and experiment with different ways to incorporate alfalfa sprouts into your diet. From topping your favorite dishes to blending them into sauces and dips, the options are limitless. You can even use them as a garnish for soups or stir them into casseroles and pasta dishes. The key is to think outside the box and have fun with it. Alfalfa sprouts are incredibly versatile, and with a little creativity, you can find countless ways to enjoy their unique flavor and nutritional benefits. You'll be amazed at how much flavor and nutrition they can add to your meals. Not only do they enhance the taste and texture of your dishes, but they also provide a wealth of health benefits. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, alfalfa sprouts can support your overall well-being and help you maintain a balanced diet. So go ahead, give them a try, and discover the many delicious and nutritious ways to enjoy alfalfa sprouts in your everyday meals. Sprouting at home. Tips for beginners. Sprouting alfalfa seeds at home is easy and rewarding. Here's a simple method. First, rinse a quarter cup of alfalfa seeds thoroughly under cool running water. Next, place the rinsed seeds in a jar and cover them with water. Soak for 8 to 12 hours. After soaking, drain the water and rinse the seeds thoroughly. Now place the jar in a well-lit area, rinsing and draining the seeds twice a day. Within 3 to 5 days, you'll have fresh, nutritious alfalfa sprouts ready to enjoy. Potential concerns and precautions. While alfalfa sprouts are generally safe for consumption, there are a few things to keep in mind. These tiny greens are packed with nutrients, but they also come with their own set of potential risks and precautions that you should be aware of to ensure a safe and healthy experience. First, there's the risk of foodborne illness. This is a concern with all types of sprouts, not just alfalfa. The warm, humid conditions required for sprouting are also ideal for the growth of harmful bacteria such as E. coli and Salmonella. Like all sprouts, alfalfa sprouts can harbor bacteria if not handled properly. It's crucial to purchase your sprouts from a reputable source and to store them in the refrigerator to minimize bacterial growth. So, make sure to rinse them thoroughly before eating. Washing them under running water can help remove any potential contaminants. Some people even prefer to soak them in a vinegar solution for added safety. Additionally, some individuals may be allergic to alfalfa sprouts. Allergic reactions can range from mild symptoms like itching and hives to more severe reactions such as difficulty breathing. If you experience any allergic reactions, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. It's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to food allergies. Also, alfalfa sprouts contain vitamin K, which can interact with blood-thinning medications. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting, and consuming large amounts can interfere with the effectiveness of blood thinners. If you're on blood thinners, consult your doctor. They can provide personalized advice on how to safely incorporate alfalfa sprouts into your diet without compromising your medication regimen. By following these precautions, you can enjoy the health benefits of alfalfa sprouts safely. These little greens can be a nutritious addition to your meals, offering a range of vitamins and minerals. Just remember to handle them with care and be mindful of any potential health concerns. Alfalfa sprouts in different cultures. Alfalfa sprouts have been enjoyed for their nutritional and medicinal properties in various cultures for centuries. In traditional Chinese medicine, they are used to treat digestive issues and promote overall health. In Indian cuisine, they are often incorporated into salads, sandwiches, and wraps. And in Middle Eastern cuisine, they are a popular ingredient in falafel and other dishes. The widespread use of alfalfa sprouts across different cultures highlights their versatility and nutritional value. Sprout your way to better health. Alfalfa sprouts are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They offer numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, boosted immunity, and heart health support. Incorporating these sprouts into your diet is easy and delicious. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, wraps, smoothies, or even try sprouting them at home. Give alfalfa sprouts a try and experience the positive impact they can have on your health and well-being.